guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you live from my kitchen because we are doing the Friday reset. Now, many of you may be familiar with the Sunday reset. I see lots of content about that out there, especially on TikTok, but I think a Friday reset is absolutely elite because it just allows you to like clean up your space for the weekend and get prepared for the weekend, whether you're having like a really fun and social weekend or you need to be productive in like other areas of your life. For example, next Thursday, my fiance Nick and I are traveling to San Diego, and this weekend we have a lot of errands to do. I have a haircut, nail appointment. I have 2 workout classes booked, F45 and hot yoga. So I also want to run out to Target and get some travel stuff, and that kind of stuff really takes the priority for me over the weekend. So I need to like clean my apartment, straighten things up, and really get my life together. So if you kind of like watching this like motivational cleaning, organizing content, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, because I think I want to be incorporating more of this into my channel. If you're new, I normally do a lot of product reviews, travel vlogs, and fashion videos, but I'm also planning a wedding for next August, so I have a lot of that content on my channel as well. And like I said, I kind of want to get more into the organization, productivity space, because that is a big part of my life, and I would have to say I'm a pretty organized person. So I feel like I can share, you know, some of my hacks here on the internet. But let's get this vlog started. So the first thing that I want to do is unload my dishwasher and put away all these dishes. We ran it last night and everything has just been sitting there since then.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
The next task that I'm going to do is sadly get rid of these beautiful flowers that Nick bought me about 2 weeks ago, but they're definitely dead. The next thing I want to tackle is putting away all these clothes that I had out on my little laundry rack to dry. I definitely don't want to see these clothes all throughout the weekend in my apartment. And now we're going to take out the trash. My bedroom like pretty much doesn't need a reset. I actually dusted my nightstand during my lunch break today because I work from home on Fridays. And I also cleaned my sink and mirror in the bathroom. I just like deep cleaned my shower and toilet last week. I would like to clean them again, but I don't know that that's feasible. So that's something I might do Sunday, but if not, that's okay too. Now I just kind of want to straighten up our living room. I always struggle with these blankets because we do use these like at night when we're watching TV. I feel like I need to get something to put them in. But like I have my laptop on the couch, I have my iPad over there, and this is definitely really dusty and needs wiped down. I don't know how well you can see this because I know the sun is coming in pretty much here. The next thing that I'm going to do is take an inventory of everything in my fridge and throw out anything that's expired. I feel like I learned to start doing this when I'm not grocery shopping, because when I get back from grocery shopping, it's like I literally don't want to have to decide what's expired and what's not. So up here we have our Topo Chicos, coffee creamer, apple cider, hummus. That's all still good because I know we bought that pretty recently. We have garlic, I think that's still okay. But yeah, I'm gonna throw away that salad kit because I know that it's expired. This basil is for a recipe we're using tonight. Hopefully that's still good. Last weekend was Halloween, so we have like a lot of cheese left over from charcuterie boards. I'm thinking I might throw that away as well. And then we have like some fruits and vegetables down there, which I think are still good. As far as like the dressings and drinks go, I don't think we need to throw any of that away. So I'm just going to get rid of the salad mix and maybe try to organize this a little bit better. I also want to switch out my Stanley. I'm currently using this green one. I want to switch it for my cream one. I try to remember to put my Stanley in the dishwasher like once a week. The last thing I want to do is put away these Halloween decorations here. I am keeping out the more neutral pumpkins until Thanksgiving, but I gotta get rid of the ghosts because it is November. But this is pretty much everything that I have done for my little Friday reset and going into the weekend. I hope this was helpful to you or inspiring to you or whatever. I just hope you enjoyed the content, and if you want more organization and clean with me videos, let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned because the next vlog after this will be my adventures in San Diego, so it'll be a lot more exciting. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think